Hello students, exercise 16.2 question number 6. The sides of a triangle are of lengths 10 meter, 12 meter and 18 meter. Find its area, correct to nearest decimeter square. Root 2 value also given. Here first one you select by A. So A is 10 meter, B is 12 meter, C is 18 meter. Then get the semi perimeter because we are trying to apply Hero's formula. Semi perimeter formula A plus B plus C by 2. All this plus it, divide by 2. Result is coming 20 meter. Then area of the triangle, square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. All the values you will put, you will subtract. All the factors we will find out. After that, inside double, outside single. So 2, 2, 2, 5 it will be out and 1, 2 will be left over. That is 40 root 2 meter square. Now root 2 value already given 1.414. After multiplication, result is coming 56.560. Ending 0 should be cancelled out. 56.56 meter square. But they told us to change into decimeter square. 1 meter makes 10 decimeter. So to change from meter square to decimeter square, 10 into 10, 2 times, that is 100 to be multiplied. So result is coming 5656 decimeter square. Question number 7. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are given 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Diagonal connecting the ends of the sides is given 9 centimeter. So this is given 5, this is given 7. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So these two will be same 5 5. These two will be 7 7 and one of the diagonal is given 9. Asking question, find the area of this parallelogram. Root 11 is given 3.317. The first introduction part you have to write. Let ABCD be a parallelogram in which AB and CD both are 5 cm, AD and BC 7 cm, AC is 9 cm. You will take this triangle ABC now. Apply Hero's formula to get this area. A is 5 cm, B is 7 cm, C is 9 cm. Then calculate semi perimeter A plus B plus C by 2. After adding, it is coming out 21 by 2 cm. Then area of triangle ABC, square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Since it is not cancelling, you can keep the fraction only by putting all the values. Inside LCM also should be taken properly. So it is coming out like this. Then after subtraction, this came out. Then outside all the factors you can find out. Then inside double, outside single. So it is 3, 7, 2, 2 will be out and root 11 left over. So 21 by 4 square root of 11 centimeter square. But they are telling us to find area of the parallelogram. Since both the triangles are having same measure, that's why only one area I found. And then area of the parallelogram 2 into this. Cancel out, it is 21 by 2 into root 11 value 3.317. Multiply, divide by 2, 34.828 centimeter square. Now after decimal, I have to keep 3, I got 3 digit, but I'll keep 2 digit. Since third digit is more than 5, remove it, add 1 with previous one. It is coming 34.83 centimeter square. Now question number 8. Find the area of the rhombus whose one side is given 25 and one diagonal is given 48. So diagram is like this. All sides are equal 25 and one diagonal is 48. So only one triangle area will calculate. Other triangle you don't need to calculate. By calculating only one area, make it double, you will get the result. So introduction part you have to write. After that, for triangle ABC, A, B, C should be selected 25, 25, 48. Then calculate semi perimeter A plus B plus C by 2. Result is coming out 49 meter. Then area of triangle ABC, square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. 49 into 49 minus 25, 49 minus 25, 49 minus 48. After subtraction, this came out. Now 49 you can break 7 into 7, and since double 24 you have already, so you don't need to find the factors. Now inside double, outside single, result is coming 168 meter square. So area of the rhombus ABCD will be double of this result because both the triangle will have same area. So 2 into this is coming out 336 meter square. With this I am concluding today.